Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, I'm very excited for this video because this is the first time that I'm going to do an unboxing of a smartphone in this on my YouTube channel. And another special thing about this is this particular smartphone is my 40th birthday gift to myself. Because guys, I turned 40 years old last August 23, 2021, and today I'm recording this video September 20. So, and I'm pretty excited also because this smartphone is supposed to be delivered on October 6, but it came pretty much early, so it's around 2 weeks early. So kudos, thank you very much to Globe Telecom. It's a local telecommunications company here in the Philippines, so thank you very much again, Globe. Okay guys, without any more further talk, without any more further ado, let's proceed with the unboxing. But before anything else guys, I'm Luis, your dimpled engineer. And of course, I'm with Pretty Olaf, my little cute Maltese. Where are your eyes? Oh, there. Isn't she cute? And guys, this is our YouTube channel. So okay guys, here is our package. Let's look what's inside this paper bag from Globe Telecoms. So actually guys, this package comes with freebies. So here is the unit itself. I'm very excited. And this is the first freebie. This is the Samsung Care Plus. It's an insurance, additional insurance for your Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3. So let's just take a look what is covered in this Samsung Care Plus. So this is the highlight. Now you won't have to worry about cracked screens and liquid spillage. Enjoy a worry-free experience with your new Galaxy device. So that's the main difference guys, compared to the regular or basic warranty. So the Samsung Care Plus will, the Samsung Service Center will repair your device. The screen is damaged or cracked, so free of charge. Alright, so the other freebie is this, the Z Fold 3 S Pen with the case. So now guys, you know the unit that I got from Globe. So it's the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So, okay guys, first let's unpack the free items. Note package. Does this mean that the Z Fold 3 is replacing the Note series? We're gonna find out in the near future. So here are the contents. Z Flip cover with S Pen, and the S Pen itself, and the 25 watts travel charger. So just take note, cable is not included. So here is the charger, basically the same as the other chargers from the previous Galaxy series. And this is the flip cover. It's the instructions, and this is the, I think this is the replacement tip for the S Pen. Yeah. And this is the cover. Feels premium. And this is the S Pen, guys. Fold edition. Nice. Alright. Okay, guys. Let's put the freebies aside. And let's main event. Our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Oh, and by the way, guys, this is not a full review video. This is just an unboxing. I'm doing this because I want to share with you my excitement, and I want to document my very first smartphone unboxing video. Ta-da! Nice. Alright. Nice box. Very, very slim. And by the way, guys, this is the 12 gigabytes RAM with 512 gigabytes of storage. So I think this is the top of the line unit, which is available here in the Philippines. Alright. So this is the QR code for the registration for the Galaxy Samsung Care Plus. And then this is it, guys. My very first unboxing. Whoa. Oh, what happened here? So guys, let's just read this. VIP sales service. VIP after sales service. So I feel like I'm a VIP right now. Okay, 24 hours hotline, free pickup and delivery just in case you're going to have this repaired. Service express lane, remote assistance, pre-appointment booking, loaner unit, hassle-free data transfer, on-site repair via Galaxy Van. This is just guide if you're going to transfer your data from your old phone to the Galaxy device. So guys, here is our gorgeous, beautiful Samsung Z Fold 3. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry guys, I'm really excited. I'm really excited. So let's put this aside first and let's see what's included. So another leaflet regarding Samsung Care Plus. So this is the ejector pin. What's inside here? Oh, the USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, and quick start guide. Okay, what else? Nothing more. All right. Now, okay guys, now let's peel the plastic covering. 3, 2, 1. Crazy. satisfying. Man, I still can't believe, guys, that I'm really holding this very, very premium and gorgeous device. Man, I'm sorry, guys. I'm very sorry. I'm really excited. Let's try to fold this for the very first time. What? A folding tablet. Wow! Crazy. My phone doesn't want to focus. Nice. Okay, so let's take a quick 360-degree view. So these are the three main cameras. Okay, I think this is the main camera, this is the super wide angle camera, and this is the telephoto camera. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. So this is the power button, the volume rocker, and this is the SIM card slot. And above, I think this is one of the stereo speakers, the mic. Guys, below, this is the USB Type-C charger, another mic, and another speaker grill. So, okay guys, that's it. That's our very quick unboxing. Actually, it's not quick because of my excitement. That's our unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G from Globe Telecom. So guys, watch out for my full review. I will be using this for around 2 weeks, and I'll give you my initial thoughts, and I'll try to compare the camera with my Galaxy S21 Ultra. Once again, guys, thank you for watching my very first smartphone unboxing video featuring the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And guys, if this is the first time you're watching my channel, I would really appreciate it if you will subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you will be the first one to know whenever I upload funny videos. Funny, exciting videos such as this one. And guys, don't forget to click that thumbs up icon. And always stay safe, guys. Be healthy. Stay home. And God bless everyone. See you on my next video. Whoa! Whoa!